Is your Hisense Roku TV refusing to spring to life? Wondering how to fix a Hisense Roku TV that won't turn on? You're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, and in this video, I'm going to help you how to solve it. Step 1. Check the power source. The first thing you need to do to ensure that your TV is receiving power. Check that the power source is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. If you're using a power strip, make sure that it's turned on and functional. You might even try plugging the TV directly into the wall outlet to see if the issue lies with the power strip. Step 2. Examine the remote control. Your TV might not be turning on because the remote control isn't functioning properly. Start by checking the batteries and replacing them if necessary. To rule out any remote issues, you can use the power button on the TV itself. If the TV turns on with the button, your remote might need to be reset or replaced. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. Power cycling is a simple yet effective way to resolve various electronic glitches. Unplug your Hisense Roku TV from the power source and wait for at least 60 seconds. During this time, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain any residual power. Afterward, plug the TV back in and try turning it on. Step 4. Inspect the power cable and connections. Inspect the power cable for any visible signs of damage, such as fraying or exposed wires. Replace it if necessary. Also, ensure that all connections are secure and free from dust or debris that could be interfering with the power supply. Step 5. Reset the TV. If your TV still won't turn on, a reset might be in order. Different models have varied reset procedures, but generally you can perform a reset by pressing and holding the reset button on the TV, typically located underneath the power button or on the back panel. Follow your TV's user manual for specific instructions on how to reset it. Step 6. Seek professional help. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to seek professional help. Make sure to reach out to Hisense Roku TV support and have your TV model number ready so that you can make the process smoother.